I'm Christopher. I work in software. I'm based in Hong Kong. I enjoy going to the gym, having great food, and drinking great beers.
I am Jasmine Turner. I'm 16, just finished GCSEs and going into year 12. I've always had a passion for the outside, like Hong Kong trails, but nothing on this scale.
My name is Melanie. I'm 19. I just graduated. I like hiking and playing sports and hanging out with my friends, listening to music.
The reason why I decided to join an expedition like this was because I wanted to get away from the daily grind. I wanted to put myself in a challenging environment with a cool bunch of people. And so far it's really exceeded my expectations.
Another reason why I joined is because there's this scientific aspect to it about climate change, and we did research on Botanic Glacier, and I think that was like amazing.
We managed to find almost exact photo replicas, which is really cool to see the change visually as well and be there firsthand. But personally, my best goal was just actually completing it. I thought there were so many times that, like before the expedition, I was so nervous about the big hikes, but managed them fine and with the support of the team as well.
I expected a physically and mentally challenging trip where I would learn a lot about myself, but I think this expedition has been much more. I've had way more fun in the last few days than I've had, I think, in the last 6 or even 12 months. Just an incredible amount of laughter, joy, and satisfaction every single moment.
Yeah, I mean, I would totally recommend it, and it's just one of those things you have to try at least once.
If there's another similar expedition planned anywhere in the world, I'd be probably first in line to sign up for it.